sa Bantayan, Cebu for today. And it's already 1 a.m. Nandito pa lang ako sa Binyan. We're gonna pick up May and then pupunta na tayo sa airport. Ang flight natin is by 3 a.m. So let's go now! Nasundo na namin! Diyos ko, pare-pares kaming walang tulog. Good luck! Here na! Kiss na sa driver! Time for check-in. Though nag-check-in na kami online. For coffee. So, mag-breakfast na kami kasi wala pa kami kain. Here's the boarding gate. Boarding time! Finally, naulan pa. Guys, ano ba yan?
Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
So guys, we arrived na here at Cebu Airport! Oh my God! Ang lamig, grabe. Nanginginig ako sa plane kanina. First order of business, lechon. So, doon na kami kumain. Mag-grab na lang kami going to Bayfront, Cebu para mag-ride ng van going to Hagnaya Port. So guys, nandito kami sa may tapat ng Bayfront Hotel. Sakto, dito talaga nag-aantay yung mga van going to Hagnaya Port. Back to Pakal. May bilihan ng tinapay dito. Tapos, may bilihan ng mga food. Kailan kung nagugutom kayo. Tapos dun yung mga ihian. We're here after 3 hours. Including yung stopover, pero saktong 3 hours. Here is the schedule, and then ito yung fee. We are here sa Anaya. We are here and worth it for 8 hours of biyahe. Puti naman. Bilisan mo. Pagod na ako, And guys, we're finally here and ito ang front beach na pinag-iistayan namin. And I hope natulungan ko kayo kung paano kayo makakarating dito. After 8 hours, we're finally here. For a full and detailed video, here is my YT channel with a discount code.